Have you ever felt invisible? Like someone you care about just doesn't see you anymore? They ignore your texts, your calls, even when you're right in front of them. It stings, doesn't it? But what if I told you? Being ignored might be the best thing that's ever happened to you. I know how painful it feels to be ignored. It's frustrating, confusing, and honestly, it can shake your confidence. But here's the thing. How you respond in this moment can either make things worse or completely turn the situation around. So instead of reacting emotionally, let's talk about a smarter way to handle this. Because when you shift your mindset, you'll realize that being ignored isn't a setback, it's an opportunity. And trust me, they won't see it coming. Step 1, don't chase. Step back. Let's be real, when someone ignores you, your first instinct is to chase. You text again, you call again, you ask, did I do something wrong? Stop. Because the moment you chase, you send a powerful message. My value depends on your attention. And that's a mistake. Think about it. When was the last time you truly valued something that begged for your attention? Probably never. People are drawn to confidence, to things that feel valuable, and value doesn't beg. Step 2. Flip the script. Become the mystery. Instead of chasing, do the opposite. Step back. I know it sounds hard, but listen. When someone ignores you, they expect you to react emotionally. They expect frustration, sadness, confusion. They expect you to seek validation. But what if, instead, you disappeared? Not in a bitter or dramatic way, not with the silent treatment, but in a way that says, I don't need to be around people who don't see my worth. Suddenly, you become the mystery. You become the one they start thinking about. Because people notice absence. They notice change. And when you stop giving your energy freely, they start to wonder, wait, did I lose them? And that is when the dynamic shifts. Step 3. Level up in silence. Here's the thing. This isn't about playing games. This is about real confidence, real self-worth. Instead of wasting energy on someone who ignores you, pour that energy into yourself. Hit the gym, learn a new skill, focus on your goals, start winning in silence. And here's the crazy part. When you're busy leveling up, you won't even notice who's ignoring you. And guess what? That's when they notice you the most. Step 4. See rejection as redirection. Now, here's the plot twist. Sometimes, when someone ignores you, it's actually a blessing in disguise. Maybe they were never meant to be in your life. Maybe the universe is pushing you towards something, or someone better. So instead of seeing it as rejection, see it as redirection. Because the truth is, when you truly know your worth, the right people will never ignore you. Remember, you don't chase, you attract. Keep moving forward and watch how life rewards you. If you've ever been ignored and it hurt, let me know in the comments. And if this video gave you a new perspective, share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more life-changing advice. See you in the next one.